Again, wala po kaming tsansang makapag-usap po ni Senator Bato. Sa kanyang misis po, as a matter of fact, I texted her yesterday on account of the news item which came out, I think 2 days ago, concerning an interesting individual threatening Senator Bato to file an ethics complaint. So I texted beloved wife of the good senator about it and intimated to her about that case, and may napag-usapan na po kami kung anong gagawin.
But tinanggihan yung request niyo for request ng warrant of arrest dito sa DOJ. Magre-request ulit sa'yo or sa Korte Suprema na kayo mag-file ng manifestation?
We already did request but we were refused correctly. Tama yung sabi mo. And nag-manifest na po kami sa Supreme Court. We are hoping and praying that the Supreme Court will finally act on the petition for certiorari that we filed for and in behalf of the former President Rodrigo Duterte and Senator Bato de la Rosa.
Sir, kung maglabas ng desisyon na yung Korte Suprema tungkol dito sa inyong petisyon, that's the only time na lalabas na si Senator Bato at papasok siya sa Senado.
I could not speculate as to what would his moves be.
But what is he waiting for?
That I could not likewise state what is in his mind. I can only speculate that probably if there is a decision by the Supreme Court on the matter, clarifying the rules, no? And I think I can only predict that he might surface.
So ibig sabihin, sir, hanggat walang nilalabas sa desisyon si Senator Bato, hindi ba siya nag-aalala kasi kine-question na po ng taong bayan na ang tagal-tagal niyang absent and yet sumasahod siya?
With all due respect to the question, I think the taong bayan understands his situation. He's in a unique situation simply because of the fact that there was already a very good example as to what happened to former President Rodrigo Duterte. Maski mag-eleksyon po tayo ngayon at mag-conduct tayo ng referendum, I think the people of the Republic of the Philippines, a great majority, understand his situation.
Pero may info kayo na may warrant na?
Yun ang sinasabi sa amin na may warrant na, at I just could not confirm it because I already did my best as a lawyer. I sent letters of inquiries to the Department of Justice, to the DFA, to the Philippine Center for Transnational Crimes, but all of which failed to provide me a clear answer. Two deliberately gave me an answer that they do not have a copy of the warrant. So yun lang po ang ma-answer ko po.
Sa Pilipinas naman po sa Senado?
Yan, di ko po masagot ang tanong na yan.
Pag attorney, kung sakaling may file yung ethics complaint against him, anong game plan ninyo as legal counsel?
Well, if it will be served properly in accordance with the Senate rules, we will respond accordingly. As to what is that respond accordingly, abangan po natin ang susunod na kabanata.